The Blockchain Bus is Boston's premier traveling space for blockchain companies during the Boston Blockchain Week, a party on wheels shuttling guests between events all week and broadcasting it live on the internet. The Blockchain Bus will come fully loaded with a sound system, food, a DJ booth, a photographer, and videographer, as well as a team of content creators producing press releases, podcasts, and media to share with the world. Reserve the Blockchain Bus for a powerful and unforgettable experience during Boston's Blockchain Week.